Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. One, two, three. Alright, happy birthday. All of our principal, Principal Margareta. Nang, happy birthday.
Dili ko muna kayo.
Arrival of Mayor Mariolito. Magsimula na yung ano natin na meeting, board meeting. Madam Principal. Ano masasabi mo?
Happy birthday, Cha.
Tayong parapol mamaya. The arrival of Konsihal Mau. Kumusta? Our beloved counselor.
Our beloved counselor na mupay pagdaog.
The board meeting is not yet. Ang board meeting natin ay hindi pa mag-start kaya wala pa ang ating mga member of the board. Hansi Mil. Come here. Picture.
You want to sit yun, ha? You want to sit with Burkit?
Kasi pwede. Iris the drive.
Kalab, Miss and Mrs. Hi! Special birthday celebration.
With my husband.
Hello. Welcome to our board meeting. Our board member.
Special move for us.
Yeah, very special today. So welcome to our
37 or 38? Wala ka? 39. Ay, malit na Malit na 39.
sabi ko sa inyo ay maniwala. The arrival of Mayor ay Congressman.
Asami.
Congressman Montejo.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, nice. Congratulations.
Ako man na ito ba? Yung mga bata hindi nga.
Sana padulay.
Pada ko nabi, line up mo gawas mo dito.
Ayuhan.
Ingo na kung paano nga. Dili siguro ito ka din. Yung mga Chinese things.
Ladies and gentlemen, please wait for a while, okay?
Kasi wala lang po dyan siya. Alam, nagyang mo yung buli ko ano eh.
The arrival of Madam. Hello.
Maatbang ni mga bata.
The board is almost complete. And the arrival of the birthday celebrant also for today and for tomorrow. This is the for today. The birthday for today and the birthday for tomorrow. The birthday celebrants meet together.
Minutes. Any minutes.